Hello, my name is Tim Prevo with Energy Saving Products, the proud manufacturer of the High Velocity System. Today I'm going to talk to you about our air purification products, which combine great with the way that High Velocity mixes and moves the air within a structure. Indoor air quality is a very important topic of conversation because you are only as healthy as the air that you breathe. Did you realize that most people spend 90% of their lives indoors? And that on average, the indoor contaminant pollution is 2 to 5 times worse than that of the outdoor air? Good thing for you, indoor air quality is a variable you can control. To help understand how to control this, it's good to know what indoor air quality consists of. The 6 key factors are cooling, heating, and fresh air, humidification control, and air purification to clean and scrub the air that exists in your home. Indoor air quality has become a more prevalent topic of conversation now than it was 20 years ago because we have much better construction practices. We're building tighter shells, and we do not have the natural infiltration and exfiltration occurring any longer within structures. As well, what is being used for construction materials and home furnishings, there are a lot more plastics and PVCs being utilized, and these off-gas continual formaldehydes and other harmful chemicals into the air that you breathe every day within your structure. There are 3 classes of indoor air contamination. Number 1 being particulate matter. You put a filter on your system to grab the particulate matter, and it's something that you can see when you open up your windows, the sun shines in, and you see these particles floating around your living space. Now, these can cause asthma, allergies, and other lung illnesses as well. The next is a microorganism, virus, or bacteria. These cause colds, flus, and other associated illnesses that will not only affect one person, but has the potential to spread throughout the home or workplace environment if you're not taking care of the indoor air quality properly. But what most people don't realize is the most harmful indoor air contaminant is a gas. It's a VOC, which is a volatile organic compound. Now, the glues in your hardwood floors off gas, the paints on your walls off gas, the plastic materials that exist throughout your home, these all continually off gas into the air that you breathe, affecting your quality of life. The high velocity air purification system combines 3 technologies into one compact module, which attacks all 3 classes of indoor air contamination. Inside this module, we have a MERV 13 filter, 2 germicidal UVC lights, and 56 square feet of a patented titanium dioxide photocatalyst media. The first stage is the MERV 13 filter. This will grab 97% of all particulate matter down to 0.3 microns in size. The second stage is the UVC lights. The UVC light will deactivate any microorganism or virus from being able to reproduce to contamination levels that can infect the human body. And the third stage is the titanium dioxide photocatalyst. This media will absorb a VOC or chemical fume, break it down to its simplest molecular byproducts, which are CO2 and water vapor. These modules install easily to any of our high velocity or low velocity fan coils, but it also can install to your existing furnace or air handler that might already exist on your project. Whether installed in the vertical or horizontal application, there is an easy slide out module to access the serviceable items. We suggest servicing your filter once every 6 months and your UV lights every year, depending on the environmental conditions. The titanium dioxide media is lifetime lasting and never needs to be replaced. We also offer a portable system. It takes the same technology in a smaller compact package, and you can plug it into the wall and purify any room within your structure. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about this technology or any of the other ones that we manufacture, please feel free to give us a call at any time or send us an email, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks and have a great day.